Hi friends, in this video I am going to show the duties of the pass clerk, how he will accept the family declaration submitted by the employee, and in the meanwhile I will show you how to enter the manual passes which are already issued to the employee, so that the employee can access a pass application. So watch carefully and do the same for your purpose. So first, in mobile I am going for Google Chrome, and in that I am going for HRMS. After opening HRMS, I am going for, I am opening a PassClerk's HRMS ID, so that you can easily understand how it will be done. So watch carefully. Just I am going through my login credentials so that I could enter. This is a PassClerk's credentials I am entering. So a OTP which is already received by the pass clerk, which I am typing now. So after entering the OTP, you will be logged into the site, and then come to the, so actually in the left arrow side, just you click on the left arrow and just maximize and come to the pass section, where you are going to see accept pass family. So click on that accept pass family, for whom I have to accept. So come here, and immediately I'll ask you who is your PA. Please select the PIA. Just I am going to select this first one. For this first one PIA I am going for that, and later on you click here, and then I want to see this MV Ramesh, this BPI user. This fellow has already submitted his pass declaration. Now I am going to accept that. Click on that HRMS ID. If you see, if it is not listed there, just you type the HRMS ID and click go, so that the declaration submitted by the employee will be shown to you. See here, self details are already showing to you. Self details are shown, and at the down, this fellow is having 3 family members, this staff. So family 1, family 2, and family 3. So now what I am going to do is this. So come here exactly, and here you can find the remarks box. There you write accepted, and click accept. So now it will ask you to yes. So click on yes, so that the family declaration sent by the employee has been accepted by the pass clerk. Now this is the first job of the pass clerk. Immediately for the same employee, the pass clerk has to enter the manual pass. So now here above the accept pass family, we have a manual pass entry. Click on that. So after clicking on that, again it will ask you for which pass issuing authority. Actually this pass clerk has 2 pass issuing authorities connected to pass clerk issuing authority, so that he can check about the first one or second one pass issuing authority. Now I am going for the first pass issuing authority. Click on that. So now just click here. Just I wanted to type the present at present what I have, which family declaration I have accepted. For that fellow I am going to type. Just I'm going to type his HRMS ID BPIUZL. I have typed, so already it has come. So click on that, and then click on go. So now a pass summary will be shown to you like this. A pass summary will be shown to you. Already the entitled passes will be shown in the first column. Yeah, how many passes are there, and everything will be shown. In the down, the first tab it will be show you the untitled passes. In the second down, what will show it? Show you privileged passes, how many the fellow has utilized. See here availed passes. So passes surrendered for LTC. If any are surrendered for LTC, you can click here. In the meantime, count of pass detected as penalty. Let us some persons may get a punishment. Either pass or PTO is going to be stopped. In such a case, you have to enter here. And thirdly, availed upgraded passes. See carefully in our system up to level 5. Below up to level 5, every employee do have a third AC pass. That pass is called upgraded pass. Now see here, this fellow has utilized all the passes. So what I am going to do is this: availed passes I will keep on 3. Okay, now I am going to see this fellow has used for 2021. No, not applicable, because not yet issued, and no need to write. Now come here in the privileged ticket order. The party has already taken one full set of PTO. So just I have entered all the things. Now after finishing all, here I will type some remark. Data is is entered as per PIA record, that is pass issuing authority record. I have done. See, then this is the job of the clerk, and then I click on submit. So for everything it will ask you the confirmation whether yes or no. If for suppose by mistake if you have clicked submit, you can make a no and you can come back and get it updated. If you are if you are confirmed that it is okay, then click on yes, so that the data manual entry data of the select accepted family declaration employee has been sent to the party. So like how now what happens is that you log out from your session